mountain road is 5 miles long and gains elevation at a constant rate. After 2 miles, the elevation is 5,500 feet above sea level. After 4 miles, the elevation is 6,200 feet above sea level. So in this case here, what we should notice is that we have 2 points that were given that we could put on a graph. After 2 miles, the elevation is 5,500 feet. After 4 miles, it's 6,200 feet. So we're asked to find the elevation of the road at the point where the road begins. So the first thing that I would do on this one is actually to find the slope, because we know that the slope here is going to help us kind of backtrack to when it's at the very beginning or where there is 0 miles here. So what we can do here is, again, our slope, what we kind of practiced here is that we take the difference between the y values, because we're seeing, if we were on a graph here, the distance between the points in the y values. So 6,200 minus 5,500. And then the difference between the x values, in this case 2 miles and 4 miles, that's the direction we're going this way. And then we can simplify that to find our slope. So we have our slope now of 350, and what that means again is the unit rate. So for every mile that you travel on this road, then we go up 350 feet in elevation. So we can use this to backtrack, because if we wanted to go back to 1 mile after the road started, we take 5,500 and we're going to subtract 350. So again, now if we wanted to find out at the very beginning, I'm going to move it over here because I ran out of space, but if I wanted to find out at the very beginning, 0 miles, then I would take this 5,150 and subtract 350. So in this one here, if we wanted to find the elevation of the road at the point where the road began, we would find that it would be 4,800 feet above sea level.